What's up, everybody?
Hello, how is everybody?
We are here waiting on our pizza. Man, we got some pizza coming. Yeah, some new items coming out on the menu, and pizza's one of them. And they are good. They are real good.
They are.
I've got to share something with you guys. Check this out.
Yeah.
We finally got a Kentucky plate coming up.
Thank you, Matthew.
Matt brought us one, a friend of ours, subscriber of the channel as well. Said we needed a plate from Kentucky, and you're right. He just got back from Kentucky and brought us our plate.
Nice. So, thank you very much.
To the wall it goes. Thanks again, Matt. I think I hear the beeping. The pizza's coming.
That means pizza is done.
Wake up. Today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up. Today's gonna be a good day.
All right, check it out, man. We got some new lighting behind our little liquor racks we put in here. Check it out. It's looking good, right?
Yes.
Yeah, I like that. Got some LED lights there. Give you a little look around here. We're lighting that blue up right there in the middle. Says, here it is. Everybody, check it out. Try to get it. Try to come and get it. Yeah, so the liquor
very nice.
racks with the LED lights turned out really nice. Yeah, all the way around. And give you a little look-see. Got it wrapped around here. And last but not least, the little vodka and gin section here. Some more whiskey. Yeah, we're going to put some TVs up here above each liquor rack. Eventually we're going to throw some vertical screen televisions up here with pictures of our good food. But yeah, this is turned out really good. Time has come. You got to meet another subscriber here. Here is Jim. Say hello to the world, Jim.
Hey, how's it going?
Jim
is a little bit shy.
Jim says I had to talk him in. He just had the burger. I had to talk him into being on video. I said, "Do you mind want to be on video? I'm meeting subscribers all the time. We want to put them on video to say hi to everyone." So, where are you from, Jim?
Texas.
Texas, and he's here he's been here for a little bit. We've been talking. Been at Cebu, doing some whale shark swims, sardine swims. I said, yeah, I envy you, man. We've been here all this time and still hadn't done that. But anyway, yeah, we're just sitting here talking. Jim and I were here at the same time back in the old days, in the 80s, right?
Right.
So he served in the Navy while I was here as a military brat. Graduated high school from Subic Bay there at George Dewey. And when I was having fun running around up to no good, he was running around up to no good too, but he had to work. That's the difference. I didn't have to work. I was all play. But we were reminiscing about the old 80s times back in Subic Bay, Barrio Barreto, Subic City, Olongapo. All the fun we had, going through some pictures with him, some of the old bars, and talking about music and the bands that played in Olongapo. Quite a time.
Awesome.
Yeah. So anyway, it's fun to meet you guys when you come in and see us here at the hotel and Papi's and have these old stories, hashing through some old times.
Share memories.
Yeah, we probably ran into each other at one point in time. You probably just looked and said, "What the hell is that kid doing out here?" So anyway, thanks for visiting with us here, Jim.
Awesome burger too. It was candied bacon burger.
Awesome. Yeah, the candy barbecue burger. Yeah, candy bacon barbecue burger.
It was awesome.
It's one of our best for sure. Yeah. He couldn't finish the fries though.
No, too many fries.
Too much burger.
Yep, too much burger.
These guys got some good food. Check this out. We got a ribeye steak here, deviled eggs, mashed potatoes, and gravy. That is good. How did you get that steak cooked? Medium well or medium rare?
Medium well.
Oh no. Okay, well I guess that's your taste. I'm a medium rare person, and you're looking at meatloaf right here. Look at that, meatloaf, and you did a twice baked potato. with meatloaf and green bean casserole. So you guys had this before? Have you been here and ate this before? First time?
My first time.
All right, well, I hope you guys enjoy. If there's anything we can do, let us know. And what are you eating? Are you just watching?
We ate the tacos.
Oh, you had the tacos. You want more? Was it enough?
Nice.
All right, thank you guys for eating here. Thank you. Oh, like I said, the pizza's coming out. Oh my goodness. We have a 16-inch pepperoni, onion, and jalapeno. Look at that pizza, guys.
Yummy.
Mercy's getting it all set up for us. That looks good. Delicious.
You want to try?
You want a slice?
You sure? Very good.
Jim had the burger. He said he wanted to see the pizza, but he has no room.
They go good with the wine, though.
Yeah, Frank, Mercy, and I are going to eat the pizza today and tell you guys how it is. We're going to tell you how. You think it's going to be bad? You think I'm going to tell you guys this pizza's no good? Remember, I don't do reviews unless it's good, guys. I'm not going to tell you to come eat somewhere unless we know it's good. Let's see what we got here. And that's done perfectly for me. I got the crust. Now we brushed the crust with butter and garlic. So the crust is kind of flavored. No, Mercy got some wine
What do you want?
with pizza.
This water.
Water only? Yeah, I'll take water too.
No, it's not good. It's good.
Okay, Coke. Coke, no, just Coke. Coke in the bottle. I don't need rum. Not yet.
Coke, it's good with pizza.
Oh, yeah, okay.
She's trying to get me drunk here. All right, so we are just going to eat this pizza. Mercy talked me into Coke instead of water. Rum and Cokes for later. Frank,
Delicious.
Frank, give me an idea. Give me a first taste of this pizza.
All right.
And
Okay.
tell me what you think. Frank's going to do it with a knife and fork. Some people do that. You got a little pepperoni, jalapeno, onions. Masarap.
Masarap.
What about you? You got a masarap from you? Let's see. You already dug. You wouldn't even wait.
I'm sorry, Papi.
You didn't wait for me.
It's too good to wait.
All right, let me try a bite of this.
Cheesy.
It is cheesy. I like all this cheese.
Cheesy.
That was cheese and onion mix on that one, in that bite. See if it holds together. I don't want to cut it with a knife and fork.
Careful, it's hot.
I want to pick it up.
Not oily, you know. Because the other pizza is oily.
Yes, this is perfect.
Love it. Man, guys, that is delicious. Pizza
So, Liana,
here at Papi's.
I need-
Pizza, calzones. We're expanding the menu. Oh my goodness. Mercy doesn't eat pizza without oregano and chili flakes. Very good. All right, we're gonna pour us a nice ice cold Coke to go with this. Got the chili going on. You said this chili's a little
This one is
spicy,
very-
firing you up. Let me try a little bit. I usually don't use chili flake on my pizza. I'm gonna put a little bit on here just to see what she's talking about, because I love to have a little extra spice, you know. Yeah, this pizza's done right, cooked right, looks good on the bottom, cooked perfect. Now, if we can cook a biscuit, we can cook a pizza.
oh yeah.
Sauce is good. Good pepperoni. I like pizza with a lot of sauce. You can see the sauce on here. It's not just a brushed little saucy brushing on there. It's actually quite a bit of sauce on the pizza. Delicious, guys. Hey guys, we're with Teresa and James here today, and you guys are from
Pensacola, Florida.
Pensacola, Florida, fellow Floridians here in the house. Thank you for coming to see us.
Thank you, Teresa. Thank you, James.
Yeah. So when did you guys get in town? Just recently?
A month ago.
A month. So it took you a month to come to Papi's, huh?
We kept meaning to come here, but
Things got in the way.
Things got in the way.
Relatives,
Family trouble.
birthdays.
Yeah.
We understand.
Yeah. So today I noticed you had the fish,
Yes, fish and chips.
and you had a breakfast pizza, biscuits and gravy pizza.
It's a gravy pizza.
And then you also had some of that crazy Carolina Reaper sauce on your on the side there a little bit.
Very hot.
Is your mouth still burning from that? Is it gone away?
Dabble do.
A little dabble do you?
Right.
All right. Well, these guys want to do a shout out, so let's do the shout out.
Lizelle Brooks.
Lizelle Brooks.
Yes.
Shout out to Lizelle. Everybody.
Her sister, Lizelle Brooks.
Her sister.
Yes.
So your sister Lizelle is a follower of our channel and wants to hear from you. So there you go. Shout out to Lizelle.
Thank you, Lizelle, for being our subscriber, and we appreciate that. It's very nice meeting you, your sister, Theresa and James.
Telling Cherry how over the years, how many people come up and start speaking Tagalog. and
I can
then
say
when you
that a
walk
lot.
in and walk back out, she says, I can see why everyone talks to you in Tagalog.
Yeah, Mercy gets the Tagalog almost every day. For the last 4 years we've been here, it's every day. Hey guys, we are here with some more subscribers from Australia. I'm going to flip the camera around here. Here's Dave and family.
G'day.
Good day, mate.
G'day, mate.
So you just got into town now, right?
Just got in, and hour ago,
Straight over to
straight over to Papi's.
Man, that's so humbling. Thank you so much to think about coming here first. We appreciate it.
Well, it was our pleasure, and the food was fantastic.
That's what I like to
Recommend
hear. This is not a paid promotion, everybody.
No,
This is
it's not. But I have one disappointment.
Yeah.
That wasn't an all-American breakfast. That was an all-Australian breakfast.
Oh, okay.
Exactly the same.
Same thing.
Yeah.
Minus the baked beans.
Minus the baked beans. Yeah, you're right.
That's
Sometimes
right.
the
Missing the baked beans.
Yeah.
Excellent. I'm glad you liked it, my friend. Do you want to introduce the family here?
It's my lovely wife, Cherry Ann.
Cherry Ann.
It's our bodyguard, Olan. Don't ask him what's in his bag.
Oh, yeah, right. Bodyguard.
My beautiful sister-in-law, Pom Pom. And her
Welcome.
children, Dana and AJ.
Block. He's blocked. All right. So yeah, these guys came in straight from the plane, straight to the restaurant and to the hotel. They do have a place here nearby, so they didn't need to stay with us at the Drake. But hey, a lot of people come in and just stay at the hotel, come in and eat. Welcome everybody here. So thank you guys.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for coming and visiting with us. We appreciate it.
Yeah, thank you. The breakfast was beautiful.
All right, guys. Thanks for watching all of our videos. Thanks for subscribing. You know, we really appreciate all you guys, all your good comments and everything. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video.
See ya.
Yeah.